Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Nubia Neo 2 and I want to show you how to remove magnification to this device. Firstly, open Settings application. In it, look for Accessibility selection, which is in Features, and there we have Accessibility. Now we look for our our vision and magnification, which is there. And now we must turn on our magnification shortcut, confirmed by Godit, and we have our shortcut, which position we can easily change by tap on it and swipe with it on screen. We can select place when we want our shortcut. To zoom our screen, tap on our shortcut and tap on screen. We can change position of your zoom using two fingers and use swiping with it on screen, because when you use only one finger you can go up and down or right and left. You can also zoom on or zoom out, or to turn off our magnification, press again on your shortcut. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.